Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So a little while back, YouTube introduced a really cool feature that allows you to quickly take portions of a video and then you could share that on other websites, other social media platforms, or even its own individual link. And that feature is called Clip. So let me show you how easy it is to use, whether it's on your videos or other people's videos on YouTube. So once you find the portion that you actually want to share, all you have to do is go down here to Clip. And when you do that, you have a number of options. You could move it around anywhere here in the video. Plus, you could extend this or decrease it from 5 seconds up to 60 seconds. And when you find the portion that you want, all you have to do is put in a name for the clip. And then when you're ready, all you have to do is go down here to share clip. And once that happens, you have a number of options. You can choose a variety of different social media platforms, but you can also embed this as well. And you also have the option to share this as its own link. So that's what I'm going to do. So let me show you how this looks like. I have the link copied. I'll just go ahead and paste it. And now what it's going to do is show just that specific portion of the clip, including the title that you have. And also, if somebody wanted to watch the entire video, all you have to do is go here to watch full video. And the great thing is, not only are you sharing a portion of your video, but you're also giving people the option to watch your entire video, which brings more views and more people to your channel. And at the same time, since it's so easy to share, there's just a number of places that you could share really cool parts of a video. So I find this is a really powerful feature, and hopefully they'll make more improvements to this in the future. And if for some reason you didn't want people to take clips of your video, you could actually change that. If you go to your YouTube Studio and then you go down here to your settings and then go to your advanced settings under channel, there is an option for clips. And by default, it's going to allow viewers to clip my content. But if you don't want people to do that, you could simply uncheck it and save it. And then people won't be able to take clips of your video. But overall, I really feel this is a really powerful feature that allows you to easily share really great portions of your videos or other people's videos, and it'll also bring more people over to your channel and content. If you actually had any thoughts on this or any other ways in which you can use this, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And if you did want to see more of my YouTube tutorials and tips, I do have an entire playlist. I'll leave that in the description area as well. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe.
For serious YouTubers, check out TubeBuddy, the premier tool news at GeekOutdoors.com. Get more done today by checking out the affiliate link in the description area below.